All right, now we're shifting focus to the state of Maharashtra that is reeling under massive political drama. Now, there will be a joint meeting of MLAs of the BJP as well as the Eknath Shinde camp at 7 p.m. in Mumbai today. Now, the MLAs in the Shinde camp will be reaching Mumbai later today. Now, remember, they have been for the last few days camping at various places, Surat, Guwahati, Goa, in the middle of the entire political turmoil that we've seen unfold in the state of Maharashtra. Now, of course, they will be returning back home for the special session of the assembly that begins tomorrow. Now, on the other hand, Shiv Sena MLA from the Uddhav Thackeray camp, Rajan Selvi, today has filed his nomination papers. Now, this is for the speaker's election, and he is the candidate from the MVA. And on the other hand, the BJP's first-time MLA Rahul Narvekar has filed his nominations for the same speaker's election. Now, earlier today, former Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray met a few Congress leaders as well as the new Police Commissioner of Mumbai.
हमने शिवसेना के राजन साल्वी जो एमएलए है उनका नॉमिनेशन दाखिल किया है। कांग्रेस का पहला क्लेम था, लेकिन हमने साथ में बैठ के महाविकास आघाड़ी के सब हमारे जो राष्ट्रवादी है, शिवसेना, कांग्रेस, हम साथ में बैठे और डिसीजन लिया राजन साल्वी का शिवसेना के उम्मीदवार।
अभी महाविकास आघाड़ी की तरफ से स्पीकर का कैंडिडेट खड़ा रहेगा। उसके एक शिवसेना का जो राजन साल्वी उनका फॉर्म अभी भरा गया है, ऐसा मुझे पता चला है। और एक दो फॉर्म भरेंगे हम लोग, और विड्रॉल तक हम लोग उसमें डिसाइड करेंगे। भरेंगे, लेकिन तीनों साथ में भरेंगे, लेकिन फॉर्म ज़्यादा भर के रख के और फिर समय विड्रॉल के समय में करेंगे।
Joins us live on the broadcast now. She's reporting from outside Matoshri and getting us all the updates with respect to the Uddhav Thackeray camp here. Now, Swarali, given the fact that the speaker's election is due, and we're also given to understand that Uddhav Thackeray has held a series of meetings today with Congress leaders, if you can take us through the agenda and what has come out of those meetings today.
Yes, Apeksha. So let me also give you the recent update that Sanjay Raut has just left Matoshri after Uddhav Thackeray met a series of Congress leaders. He also met CP and Sanjay Raut. So Sanjay Raut did interact with media and he has said that it was a friendly meeting. Now let me tell you, whoever comes out of Matoshri today is saying that that was a friendly meet. We are just here to discuss certain things and interact with former CM Uddhav Thackeray. Sanjay Raut said he commented on the Amravati issue, where incident like Udaipur has taken place, and he said jaanch honi chahiye. That are his exact words. Now, talking about the strategy for tomorrow's speaker election, they have filed their candidate Rajan Savi, as you have already told us, and now there was some grudge among MVA because three names were coined from the MVA government for the speaker's election, but finalized Rajan Savi's name has been finalized, and on the other hand, Rahul Narvekar's name has been finalized. Eknath Shinde is very confidently saying that we have majority and there is no doubt that we'll easily win this election, as well as the floor test which is going to happen. Now, on the other hand, Uddhav Thackeray's camp, Rajan Savi's name has been forwarded. If we look at the series of events that has taken place, and there is some grudge among the MVA government because there are so many things, but one of it is that on the last day of the cabinet, decision was taken for the change of name, that is from Aurangabad to Sambhajinagar. Now some parts of Congress and NCP are not happy, as we have already recorded resignations from some of the MLAs from both the parties. And when Bhai Jagtap was asked about the same thing, he said this does not come in the common minimum agenda, so we are not happy. But he did not comment anything else than this. But he said that whatever is decided among three parties, when three different parties which have different ideologies come together, some minimum common agenda is set. And this decision of change of name is not involved. And now on the other hand, Shiv Sena is happy. Uddhav Thackeray has given comments and statements that I have fulfilled the dream of Bala Saheb Thackeray. Now it is to be seen that what happens tomorrow in the speaker's election and coming floor test. Eknath Shinde is very, very confident that he will win the speaker's elections as well as the floor test. Now it is to be seen what happens next and what are the results of speaker's election and floor test.
Absolutely. Swarali getting us all the details from Mumbai there ahead of the crucial speaker's election. Swarali, thank you so much for joining us. Slipping into a very short break, lots lined up on the other side. Stay tuned.